Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney who focuses on birth injuries throughout the country. I'm continuing my series on birth injuries with series 4, which is brachial plexus injuries or Erb's palsy. I'm now going to go over the emotional and psychological support for families. In the whirlwind of a new birth, a diagnosis of Erb's palsy can be a source of unexpected grief and concern. It's normal as parents to feel guilt. Did something in the delivery go wrong because of me or my body? Or anger, did the doctor pull too hard? Mothers who have shoulder dystocia deliveries sometimes replay the birth in their minds. It's important to come to a place of understanding that the shoulder dystocia is largely unpredictable and that delivering team often has mere minutes to resolve a life-threatening situation. Their actions, even if they resulted in injury, may have saved the baby's life, as without freeing the shoulder, it could be a problem for the child to breathe. This perspective doesn't erase the pain of the injury, but can help balance feelings if you're harboring guilt or blame. If you have lingering trauma from the delivery, consider speaking with a counselor, especially one familiar with birth trauma. For the day-to-day emotional journey, connecting with others can be incredibly helpful. Support groups for Erb's palsy and brachial plexus injuries exist and are filled with parents who have been exactly where you are. One of the largest is the United Brachial Plexus Network, UBPN, and it's a national organization that provides information and forums for families. UBPN hosts an active Facebook group and even periodic camps or gatherings where kids with brachial plexus injuries and their families can meet, share experiences, and build confidence. Knowing that other children have recovered or other parents can share their therapy tips can lighten your worries. There are also many online communities. A quick search for Erb's palsy support on Facebook or parenting forums will yield groups where parents trade stories of progress. For example, celebrating a baby's finally moving their elbow at 3 months, or asking advice about how to encourage a toddler to use their weaker arm in play. These communities foster hope and practical advice. Emotionally, don't overlook the stress of frequent doctor and therapy visits. Especially in the first year, you might feel like you are practically living at appointments. Try to celebrate small improvements as victories rather than focusing on what isn't back yet. Every tiny movement or new ability in that little arm is a sign of healing. It can also help to involve both parents, if applicable, or other family members in the care routine. Teach your partner or grandparent the home exercises so one person isn't carrying the full load alone. Many parents also find it rewarding to document their baby's progress, maybe through a journal or short videos. Not only does it help doctors track recovery, but looking back, you'll see how far your baby's progress has come, which is encouraging on hard days. For the child's emotional well-being, as they grow older, ensure the development of positive self-image. Children often take cues from their parents. If you treat the arm matter-of-factly and celebrate the abilities, they are likely to feel confident. If there is a residual impairment, eventually the child will notice differences, perhaps when starting school or certain activities. At that time, emphasizing what they can do and perhaps connecting with them slightly older kids who have the same injury and are thriving can be helpful. UBPN and similar groups can help you network for this. Most young children, if loved and supported, are amazingly resilient and will accept their body as is. Often, it's the parents who initially worry more. So seek the support you need as a parent, and you'll be better able to support your child.